Hello ma'am, this is Chelsea Munchi, your 14CS208, and this is my database experiment which is about web application using my PHP and MySQL. In this first I am creating this is my database CSS properties, and then in the first I am creating a background image, and then I have two login, first for the admin and then for the user. In the admin I am taking username and password, and then I have another form for the login form for the user that with ID of this, and its action is username.php and using method post. In this also taking the username and password from the user. For the admin, it will direct to the admin home.php file. This is my admin home.php file. Uh, in this first I am connecting my database to my PHP. This is my host address, host username, password, and then for establishing connection, connection is equal to MySQL connect. Then this is my host username, password, and database. And then if this connection is established, it will show error. Then MySQL connect database name. Then I am taking my username and password which I entered from the user, and after that this is my query. In this I am for using into the logging into the admin, I am selecting my query as select star from user, where username equal to admin. That is only the person with the username equal to admin can log into the admin page, and then I am storing the query in a result, and then I am checking if my checking the number of rows in my result, and if my and storing it in the count variable. If my count variable is greater than 0, it will fetch the result in an array that is in the array that is user and password, username and password, and it will check if the name is provided is equal to the user and password equal to same, then it will display welcome, then the username, else it will display error. After that, in the admin we can enter the book details. For that, adding book details, it will direct to addbook.php, and this is the file. In this I am entering the category name, ISBN, book title, book description, book price, publisher, edition, pages, books, first name and the last name. And then after that, this is my user home. This is for the user. If user enters the login name and password, it will direct to the user home, that is this. In this we are establishing a database connection, and then I am getting my username and password from the earlier page, and then for the query I am selecting select star from user by username equal to name. For my database I am selecting all the username with the name which I provided, and then in the result I am storing all my values, that is all my values, and then I am checking if my count is greater than 0. I will fetch the results in an array, and then I will check if the name provided is equal to the user name in the database, and then password. If both match, it will display welcome, else it will display error, and then it will direct to the display.php file. In the display, it will check in the database that is query, then select star from book author. It will display it will select all the details from the book author, and then it will display store the result in the query, and then it will display all the S names from the array. This is my first in my database I am entering the tables book author. I have entered this many values, and then in my book category table I am entering the values this, and then the book description I am entering the values this in the users table. This is my output page. In this, when I click admin and admin password, it will display welcome admin, my username which I entered, and then I can enter all my details, category ID, category name ISBN, book title, book description, book price, number of pages, and all I am entering the values. After that, when I add book, it will display that book is added. This is my file, and then and when with the login with the username and password, it will display all the to see the book list, it will display this. Thank you, ma'am, for watching my video.